Esports athletes always practice and play tournaments on the latest iPhone Pro and Pro Max models. And there are several reasons for that. A large screen, better refresh rate, smooth gameplay, and overall a great experience. But how will the iPhone 16 Plus perform in this regard? Let's find out in today's gaming test. Now, this iPhone 16 Plus has an A18 chipset, which has a new 5-core GPU and a 6-core CPU, and a 16-core neural engine. The display of this iPhone 16 Plus is 6.7 inches and it has a refresh rate of 60 Hz. For the heat management, there's a new graphene sheet to reduce the thermal issues and to improve the phone's performance. We'll play BGMI on Smooth Plus Extreme settings and HDR Plus Extreme settings, but you can also go up to Ultra HDR Plus Extreme settings. Now today, we are gonna test a few specific things. Firstly, how this phone performs in Team Deathmatch and Classic modes. Secondly, how much battery does this device use in an hour of gameplay? If you can record and simultaneously play video games without the FPS drop, and how hot does this phone get after playing continuously? So, let's begin. So today we are testing the 16 Plus. It's at 64% battery and the temperature right now is 28.4 degrees Celsius, somewhere around that. On this phone, let's see how much temperature actually it reaches. So let's start the game and let's see how it goes. As you can see, the game launches quite quickly. So first of all, let's play a team deathmatch and then let's see what's the temperature at. Let's start. Okay, here we go.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
So currently we are playing at HDR plus Extreme. We can also go Ultra HD. We'll go in the next game. But let's see how the HDR plus Extreme performs in the TDM. It looks quite smooth for now. Ooh.
Watch out! Watch out!
Okay. So after one game, the temperature is 32. Okay, not so much, but slight rise in the temperatures. Let's go one more warehouse.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
Team match, let's go.
Blue team has scored for the first time. Watch out!
Oh. Okay. So after 2 death matches, the temperature is 35.2, which is quite high. 35.4. Okay, so let's go classic. Let's see how the phone performs there. For now, the lag was not that much. It was quite smooth the whole game. Let's see how it performs in classic actually, because in classic the whole FPS and everything matters, and plus in the esports lobbies as well.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
So now we are gonna play on smooth plus extreme. Let's see how's the experience.
I got 5 eliminations just now.
So for now the temperature is somewhat around 35.6, 36 degrees Celsius actually, which is a little higher considering the fact that I'm sitting in an AC room. So little high. Let's go quarry itself. A lot of players will be there, so could have gone there, but okay, we'll go to the Crimson Castle. Hoping काफी सारे लोग वहाँ पे हैं. So the phone is quite heaten up, but there's no such lag at this temperature. That's a good thing. Hey! Okay, so I think our game is over, and I mean, phone worked really well. First thing first, the temperature is around 35.9, 35.8, something like that. Yes, so it's quite heated up, but there's no such lag as of now. I faced none the entire game. It worked very smoothly actually as well. Yeah, so we have tested the game without recording now. Now let's do one thing. Let's play the game while we simultaneously record, to see how the phone performs, and if it turns quite hot, like more than before. The last temperature that we recorded was 35.8, 35.9 at max. And now let's see simultaneously when we record how much does it heat up. We started the classic actually. So let's just go out. Let's just record the TDM first. Let's go out and let's record the TDM. That's all. Not the classic
This
one.
is a simulation
It's gonna
game
take
set in a
another half an
virtual
hour then.
world.
Otherwise, it's gonna take another half an hour. So let's go and record the arena modes. Let's go. So the temperature that was maximum in the TDM, I think, was 32, 33. But we were not recording back then.
This
Now
is a
it's
simulation
being
game
recorded
set in a
in the
virtual
game
world
as well.
and does not represent real
So
life.
let's see how it
Please
is.
play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
It's bad made.
Reloading.
Why is he laying like that?
Cover me.
Why am I getting only assists?
Cover me.
Not bad. So after 10 minutes of regular gameplay and screen recording, we are at 36.7 degrees Celsius, which is quite high. Okay, it's actually 97.6. But the good thing about it is that we didn't face any kind of lag while gaming. So we have recorded the gameplay as well. So as you can see, the gameplay is quite smooth as well. Like when you
And does not represent real life.
rewatch it, so, which is a nice thing. The temperature, the temperatures were quite high. As you can see, it was 37.6 at max at that time. Right now it's 37.3. So that's one thing to consider about. But for gaming for at least like 50 to 60 minutes, we are somewhere around 48%. When we started, we were super close to 64 to 63%. So approximately 1 hour gaming uses 20% of the battery. So which is not bad. It's really good, and overall it's a great experience gaming on the iPhone 16 Plus. So, as you all saw, the phone's performance was top-notch throughout the whole test. Surely, the temperature went up, but at least for now, it didn't drop any frames and the gameplay was smooth as butter. Playing on the new iPhone 16 Plus felt quite nice and the game didn't stutter or give any lag issues. If you are someone who is looking to buy a new iPhone to play games, the iPhone 16 Plus can be a great choice at Rs 89,990. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to Gadgets 360 for more such content. I'm gonna see you next time. Goodbye.